Relocating to a new place and want to take your Livpure Smart RO with you? No worries. Follow these steps to raise a relocation request and ensure seamless relocation of your RO services. Log into the Livpure app or website using your registered credentials. To raise a relocation request, first tap on Support screen in the bar. Under Raise Relocation Request, click on Update New Address. You can also visit My Profile and My Subscription section in menu to update your address. Provide necessary information to initiate your relocation request. Fill out new address information, select desired plan, submit eKYC for the place you are relocating to. Our team will connect with you to request the new location's eKYC if not submitted. Your eKYC is now in review. If your new location falls within our service area, your request will be approved. In case your new location isn't serviceable, we will inform and raise cancellation request. If relocating within the same city, you can choose to carry your RO with you. You can schedule a pickup for your RO. Your Livpure Smart RO will be picked up from your current address. Your Livpure Smart RO is delivered to your new location. Book reinstallation at new address and resume your RO services. The entire process of within-city relocation, including pickup, delivery, and installation takes 2 to 4 days. For city-to-city relocations, the entire process takes 5 to 7 days. Once the relocation process is complete, you can continue to enjoy uninterrupted Livpure Smart RO services at your new location. Following the steps accurately will help ensure a smooth relocation of your Livpure Smart RO services. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact our customer support team.